Alright, so our problem says that the cafeteria staff at Brown Elementary is preparing bags of carrots. They have a total of 949 baby carrots. If they put 8 carrots into each bag, how many bags will they be able to make? Alright, so let's do our cube strategy first. Okay, so I'm going to circle my numbers. 949 and then 8. Okay. Underline your question. How many bags will they be able to make? Let's box important words. Okay, so they straight out tell us that our total is 949. When they give you your total, more than likely you're dividing or subtracting. Okay. And I see the word each, which is a multiplication division word, so I'm guessing that I'm dividing on this one, because I'm going to be splitting up this total into groups of 8. Nothing to eliminate. Now it's time to solve. Alright, so today we only need to do U-box. So how many bags will we be able to make? I will find the number of bags they are able to make. Alright, we will catch back up tomorrow and do the rest of our problem.